Welcome back to Miss D's Pantry, and today we are going to make a lamb burgers video. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. And my videos are not for children, so go and get your parents. Alright, so let's get started. We're going to start with some scallions or green onions, and we're going to cut them, parsley and cilantro. We're going to chop that. We're going to take bell peppers, different colors, and we're going to chop those. A red onion, and we're going to chop that. And these are like small dice, very close to minced. We have a jalapeno. I'm going to dice that. And then we're going to put all that to the side. We have some lamb meat, which you can find at your local butcher. We have some ground mustard, paprika, Italian seasoning, and some rosemary garlic seasoning. So we're going to put all the vegetables in the bowl with the seasoning. Then we're going to add 1 egg and your lamb meat. And the egg is just used as a binder to hold everything together. So you're going to mix all of that up and make sure you incorporate all the flavor and all the vegetables in. And then once you do that, you're going to form some patties, and they could be as big or as small as you like. Or you could form meatballs and do like lamb meatballs. So once you do that, this is what they look like. You just want them to sit, get a pan hot or a grill. Then you're going to cook them. And then we're going to make a yogurt sauce right now to go with it. It's like a condiment. So you have sour cream and Greek yogurt. It's got to be Greek yogurt and plain yogurt at that. We have cucumbers, which you're going to mince these. Again, cilantro and parsley, which you're going to mince. Scallions or green onions, which you're going to mince. And then we have a red onion, which you're going to mince. Now we're going to take some salt and pepper, and we're going to add all those ingredients together and mix them up. And this is the herb yogurt sauce. It is delicious, guys. So we're just going to have all that mixed together. And then you're just going to put it in the refrigerator and let it sit. The longer you let it sit, the more the flavors will come out of there. So I made some fries as well. And I have this seasoning called Do You Want Fries With That? It's so good. You're going to get your favorite type of cheeses. And then you're also going to get your favorite kind of bread as well. You're going to put the cheese on, melt it. And then it should look like this. And like I said, you can go to the deli, the bakery. You can get your own, whatever kind of bread you like. And then I also sliced some tomatoes and cucumbers and some onions. And then I have some lettuce just to put on top of your burger. And don't forget about the pickles. But that is the end of the video. Make sure you guys comment down below and check the description box, because that's where all my links are. And that's where the recipe will be. And I will see you guys in the next video.